everyone. So I wanted to do a little video today to actually talk to you about our enrichment programs. Now, many of you must have heard that, we're one of the premium service providers for after-school activities and so on and so forth. But I wanted to dive into why we're so different and why we're so exciting for your parents as well as your children. Okay, so we actually created a series of 4 platforms for enrichment activities, and these platforms are clay, process drama, jazz music, and our own deconstructed way of robotics. Now, in the programs, they're called neuroceramics, neurotheater, neurojazz, and neurobot. Okay, now there's a reason behind why we call it neuro. So if you've been following us on Facebook or anywhere else, you've heard of us, you'd realize that we have a very, very strong evidence-based pedagogy. It's neuroceramics, neurotheater, neurojazz, and neurobot because our evidence-based pedagogy is neuroeducation. We call it the NeuroEd method. Now, neuroeducation is a field of study in neuroscience that really looks at how your brain optimally learns. So in the UK and the US, they've pumped in a lot of money to do MRI imaging studies to actually look at how your brain optimally learns. And what they found is that when you have multiple sensorial, really highly sensorial ways of learning, your neurons, which is the brain cells, they connect in a very, very different manner. As such that whatever you've learned has a lasting biological imprint in your brain. Now, we have picked these 4 platforms because we have found through our research that these 4 platforms actually allow for that sensorial learning to last for a longer time. A lot of the parents who have seen their children go through our programs have actually come back saying that their children communicate a little bit differently. They are confident in a different manner. They are really quite expressive in a different manner as well. And that's really because the objective of our programs is not just that session where the children are learning and having fun learning and so on and so forth, but really what sort of individual are they growing up to be for the future of tomorrow. So we really work on values, we really work on issues that are pertinent to the world, we really work on content that is relevant to the children for now and the future in our programs. So you can really think about our enrichment offerings as something that's completely progressive and for the world of tomorrow. If you wanted to try us or just learn a little bit more about us, contact us. If you're an educator, look for us to see how we can actually do this as part of your service offerings in your schools to make you a little different from what's out there. And if you're parents, get in touch with us to see how the schools that your children are going to can actually experience this, or if you wanted a private session and stuff like that, we can see how we can get that organized. Because we're the best!